Hello, good evening, children. Welcome to the class. In the previous class, we have seen different excretory organs in man and how these excretory organs work, function, and how do they eliminate the waste materials from the body. And now we will see a detailed description of excretory system in man. So kidneys are the important main excretory organs in the human body. So they eliminate various nitrogenous waste materials from the body. So many the nitrogenous waste materials remain in the body that will cause so many health issues and ultimately lead to the death of the person. So that is why what is the importance of these kidneys? How do they work and where they are present? That we shall see in this class. So in human body, a pair of kidneys are present in abdominal cavity. So that means thoracic cavity is one where heart and lungs are present. Below the thoracic cavity, abdominal cavity is present. In the abdominal cavity, on either side of the vertebral column, two kidneys are present. Two kidneys on either side of the vertebral column. And right kidney is a little bit lower than left kidney. So both the kidneys are present in, of course, in the abdominal cavity, but right kidney is a little bit lower than left kidney. Why? On the right side, liver is present. To accommodate liver, right kidney is a little bit lower, and these kidneys are bean seed shaped. Bean seed. How do you imagine bean seed? So it will be, you might have bean seed shape. And so this shape, and our outer side is convex and the inner side it is concave in its shape. And so these kidneys almost 150 grams in weight, almost approximately 150 grams in weight, and their length is 10 centimeters, width is 5.5 to 6 centimeters, and the thickness is 4 centimeters. Okay, and so in the kidney, the outer side is called cortex, inner part is called medulla. The cortex is dark brown in its color, and medulla is just lighter, pale in its color. So this is the external structure of kidneys. And on the top of the kidneys, there are adrenal glands. Adrenal glands are present. They look like a cap on the kidneys. A pair of adrenal glands, each adrenal gland on each kidney. One adrenal gland on each kidney. A pair of adrenal glands are present. And so let us know we will know the function of adrenal gland in later classes. And in the kidneys, there are each kidney contains more than 1 million of nephrons. So nephrons, they are also called as uriniferous tubules. So each kidney contains more than 1 million nephrons. So nephrons are the structural and functional units of kidneys. And in the kidney, in the inner side, there is a small opening is present, which is called as a hilus. It is called as a hilus, a small opening, fissure, and through which renal artery enters and renal vein exits out, and a tube-like structure passes through, which is called as a ureter. So this is a renal artery, and the renal artery enters into the kidney, and the renal vein exits out the kidney. Red color represents artery, and other black color is veins. So renal vein exits out and renal artery enters in. So renal artery, carries oxygenated blood, but it is filled with various nitrogenous waste materials. So this renal artery carrying so many nitrogenous waste materials enters into the kidney, and in the kidney the waste materials are filtered and they will be sent out of the body. So each nephron acts as a filter, and it filtrates the waste materials, and it clears the blood. That means waste materials are removed from the blood. Okay. And now, so this is the hilus opening through which renal artery enters and renal vein exits out, and a tube-like structure which is called as ureter. and each ureter comes out from each kidney. That means right ureter and left ureter. So they are extending down and they enter into a sac-like structure which is called as urinary bladder. So here in the kidneys, blood is filtered and waste materials pass through the ureter, which opens into the urinary bladder. And in the urinary bladder, the urine is stored temporarily, and then it passes through urethra, a tube-like structure, continuation of urinary bladder, and which opens outside, external opening. So this is the excretory system. That means the kidneys, how the kidneys are present, and what are all the parts that are present in the kidneys, and what is the measurement, of course, of approximately 10 centimeters length, 5 to 6 centimeters in width, and 4 centimeters in thickness, and almost 150 grams in its weight. Each kidney weighs about 150 grams, and it is a shape of bean seed, and convex outer side and concave inside, inner side. And outer side is darker in its color, and the inner side is pale. Medulla is pale in color, cortex is dark color. And again, each kidney, right kidney is a little bit lower than left kidney to accommodate liver on the right side. And from in the each kidney there is a hilus, an opening, a small fissure through which renal artery enters and renal vein exits out. And same, a tube-like structure which is called as a ureter, which carries urine, and both the ureters open into urinary bladder, sac-like structure which is extensible. That means which expands, and it stores urine temporarily, and then the urine passes through urethra, and which is opening outside. So this is the excretory organ, that is kidneys and its structure. And the units of kidneys are nephrons. They are also called as uriniferous tubules. Nephrons, they are also called as uriniferous tubules. So each kidney contains more than 1 million of nephrons. So these nephrons are structural and functional unit of kidney. Each nephron, it filters the waste materials and sends them out of the body. So this is the structure of kidneys and various parts involved in the part of excretory system. Hope you have understood, and if you have any doubt, please let me know. Thank you.